Hi. For the last video I've done, I showed you my harmonica, and I also said that I've gotten a switchblade, and this video is for that. I also gotten a switchblade here. This is what it looks like. It's got the panther on it. This is what it looks like when it's closed, and this is what it looks like when it's open. This is what it looks like right here. It's got a panther on it on both sides. This is my second switchblade. And I also got another one that looks like this. It's silver and white. And it looks like this. It needs to be cleaned right there. It needs to be adjusted. So right now it's a little wobbly, but it needs to be cleaned right there. But it needs to be cleaned on both sides. But anyways, those are my switchblades. But quite frankly, I like this one because it goes like that. Well, no, I won't do that, but you have to sit and tighten them to keep them from going loose all the time, you know, like that last one I was showing you. But anyways, those are my switchblades.